Yakopon fa bofra nkwanhia so ofiri mu Yakopon ne kransi e sense obi nhyɛ na gonya accident nkwanhia to me inipa kafa no ho yɛsɛ me sɛ me muade me hamaso maisi ɛso Ghana ha me no obi an kontokwada me police me kasɛnte obi ada me ni obi asika ni me ni se school me sie ni ntiro se jimi me jimi ni ntiro se ka me dem ntiro me ni
ma mo fra mo celebrities je mi ngwaze akamu na amunu ya ye bibia mo tumi embeta nechi ni ngwaze fo na me ne betu ya mo ka ba ko.
Empire, Ghana's actor, favorite one. Obeno, TV so I am Mr. Ray, the one can, or ya, the yes, so or your bad time in Pia. Terra, control in cancer, Lilwin, Doctor, International School. Lilwin, the school no, and I have to go home Roman School Park. Let's know. I'm here to go on. If we have Canada airport, I be school no, and a year to man. If I this year, over no, ever come home. Now, to me, this year, not to be a baby, to see anymore. Santa Maria, in fact, our best. We will be in control. A Praxia, we will be in control. The task fees, how many classmates for?
Grace Wise International School.
That's what's them ama.
What's the Otumfour?
Ohineba Nana Opoku worry. Nana Opoku worry. Ohineba, I don't know. The Prince of Ashanti Kingdom. Prince of Ashanti Kingdom. Na Opoku.
Darling boy, no. After training, I am darling boy, no. Yes. It is beautiful.
University, and of course, the school.
Just
school fees. I'm not the first page for.
Oh, yes. Yes.
Then you know, Santa Mai, Eba, I don't know.
Thank you very much.
Yabo one mabasuro. We etrese ubra kwadom kansa. Oye obia enani suadi hunu efepa. Na saa abosubodie enye wonu nkoa. Nemo eye emofra efri keji. Na fe wonu epo school time no lower primary yabo wonu abaso. Ansoa nemo wonu so a efi P3 na fi wonu ko P4 so wonu so yesha wonu monyam ewo abasubodie. Na fi wonu wo P6 na fi wonu ko DHS no wonu so ehia abasubodie. Eno nti yetonsa efre etitire eni enintiri ewo asase so a dwumadi a yebedie eye abasubodie a ye no do safo a mamubo edi nyina na fe yehye won enionyam. Eno nti adofo a mobaye se ye ton school yi eye school na dia ye pese se dia emofra ewo school mo dwumadi a won nya chechirefo edie no won mbega na di ema ye hu se ampa Great Minds International School eye school bia wo yo ba kai na so mo ba ko ha onira ekwan bra. Eno nti se nananom mo jamu nyuma atoro enyuma wodo a ewa ahemfie mo ja atoro atitire a mo so mo aba ha obi eja isika dwuma a wo ye ho na se mo nyina mo aba mejina owura kwadon kansa Lilwin manager a o ye dobre kwasi nyame headmaster achirechirefo eni admirefo a ewo Great Minds nyina nem se ye mamo nyina apaba ye besre mo na mo nya abotre na dwumadi a eto so nyina mo amye di aba ewieye na ebe ye nhira ama ye nyina onyame nka ye nyina ho ye mamo apaba.
Your boy is
Emma, assistant pastor. Uncle say someone else from our area. Na transition class, no, I'm friend so called Omani. Instead of the year, no, school for the year after at the Maya Dana Day. After 2024, opening control for my friend, so better a great room for any munyam, Emete Jumedino, Echi, and you'll be a year Dr. Father Dixon. On the year general manager at the man despite media. I think they say on Ampoema or Bampacha is the man who drew if he has said the alternative and Dr. Edu Jemfi on the CEO Emma Midima for her back clinic friend Dr. Time and Dasso Dr. Time Dasso Bonsemano on also Ampoema when you drew if you are I feel I about to have him open this one on the red Emma in Kaboom 7 and Potanas of can say peace in Cabo Masum DSM say it to a bay, the Bia Bay and Asum Diamond in the Boko, a peace ambassador, a national peace ambassador, Pancha for the Sutnem, and the Mass Africano, a year ambassador Clement Jatorus Sofia, or Pepidan Minia Boy and Sam Eddie Amano, a national peace ambassador, or yes, school run, a year Kujon Cancer, a year Papa Precope. no opinion ambassador Yamo Aquaba. After the junction so alternate media as and so the Amay or him back from Paul on the AC of Salt Media. I think it was for them singing into also Nampema Oba would need prohibit to eat them singing also Nampema Oba. I bet the baby any Dijuma. You say a crow ra, Otumfour or say it to Abibio. Neniche, education for pine education than a commercial. Into a brain baby, I had 2 years at the friend. I him fear. I had a representative from the royal family, so for anyone you met age. Last year, no, a lady, a Otumfour year, and no man names me better age. I feel so dear, a Otumfour Eba, Yahuno, or from an end which made this from Quawodi, Edema, a year of my Ghana. Wow, was education, it makes me apostle. And you will be said, His Royal Highness of Neba Nana Opoku Warren, a royal prince of a Santama Kingdom, Nana Opoku Warren, and so, and then not in Munyam, Ababete Jimedino, as HDMI. Yet straight I away, a Fida Quabre South, or Penny Quantra for that district Nano, a bar school same more, district director of education, as the Munyama Babetachi, Mr. David Asupa. That is the way to the crowd, Mr. David Asupa. Yes, so your district director here, North, Yamame, Madam Ellen, also the Prema, and also Eba. for us.
You position yourself on the back for that take coverage now.
The media, please hear us, the media.
Thank you so much. You position yourself one place that you take coverage nice.
We appreciate discipline.
Thank you so much.
That is Edumai Senior High School Cadet display. The contingent. Edumai Senior High School. It's a contest between Great Minds and Edumai Senior High School. The cadets are here. Senior High School Cadet has a coordinate with Great National School. The cadets
morning, sir. Do my senior school, I'm a cadet parade former. Former for the Great Month International School annual speech, praise giving and graduation day. We have 20 men on square and 3 officers and a cadet. And I do my senior school, I'm a cadet regimental band in attendance. I parade to IC or being man reporter. Sir, you have your permission to carry on the parade. Parade take over, sir. Thank you, sir.
seeking for permission from the cadet commander, Osei Frederick. It's commander from Edumai Senior High School. Edumai, me.
Edumai Senior High School, Great Minds International School.
Edumai Senior High School, Army Cadets. Concept Esheho. Member Emma Enono. The masters are here, so they have to do it well.
Edumai Senior School, Army Cadet parade former for the Great Month International School annual speech and prize giving day. We have 20 men on square, 4 officers and a cadet, and Edumai Senior School regimental band in attendance. Sir, we have a permission for inspection, sir.
Director says permission granted.
Permission granted. Permission granted.
All right, Chairman. Director say
Permission granted. By the director. Lilwin. Director, Dr. Kojo Kansan Lilwin.
Okay. Director?
Yes.
For the inspection, Dr. Kojo Kansan Lilwin.
Yes.
El Presidente, Dr. Clement.
El Presidente. El Presidente. El Presidente, Presido.
Yes, I'm a penny for one count my name is person, Madaroma.
With all due respect,
Yes.
Madaroma, penny for with all due respect, of my chair. Yeah, joint director for your council, the winner, yes, person. Penny for with all due respect.
Dr. Council, no way.
Yes.
Also with Dr. Clement for the expressing. Dr. Ambassador Clement accompanying Dr. Council, no way for the cadet expressing. Everyone, senior, high school, army. El President, Busy Empire, somewhere the president.
Yes, indeed, one of the moments. El Presidente says permission granted. Thank you, Commander in Command, Dr. Kojun Kansan-Lilwin.
Otumfour, Nana,
National Peace Ambassador. What I can already, I go say, the force. What I can already, I didn't say to say, I catch on and I said, you are me, when it's sorry, and when I'm saying, and I say, Lilwin, it's in a center of what I say. I am a very mercy. Nowadays, I to Zion, Action now. What's up with your person, Lilwin, and the piece of Master Let's get it without due respect, and I want to pray.
L'éthique de ma récitation est la suivante. Voici ma main, elle assène-toi, et voici des, et voici toi. Les premiers, c'est gros bonheur, c'est le pour qui se nomme. The French recitation that I was talking about was my hand. The English about my French recitation is my hand. What I mean is that here is my hand. It has 5 fingers. Here are 2. Here are 3. The first big guy is called the tongue. Thank you.
Bonjour les mots. Je m'appelle Salomé Adamafros. Je suis poli. Je dis bonjour, car elle fait jour. Je dis bonsoir, car elle fait nain. Je dis s'il vous plaît, pour avoir ce qui me plaît. Je dis merci, car je suis poli. The meaning of my French poem is, I do say hello to people. I do say hi to people I meet. I use please and please when I need something. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Someone said, I'm Papa JD and Kai, very busy. My dear friend, thank you very much.
Us. We did not need politics. We were all orderly. We did not need hospitals. We had great knowledge about herbs. We were one big family. We could have known the advanced version of our purity today. Our society would have been beautiful, but we have been corrupted. Yes, we have been deceived. Our Kibulans, princes and princesses of the universe, are you not tired walking barefooted while slaves rise on horseback? When will you rise up? When will you realize from where you have fallen? Ancestors, forefathers, past heroes, send help, send help. Oh, Mother Earth, Mother of mankind, when it rains, don't only send forth spouts, but also send forth understanding and healing. Rise up, our Kibulans, rise up, Africa. Thank you.
Thank you so much. A country called Africa.
Good day to you all, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Otumfour, and I'm here to recite a poem entitled Tears of the Nation. The spirit of the nation is grieving, echoing from afar in the wilderness. Oh Ghana, oh Ghana, oh Ghana. My name is Ghana, the gateway to Africa. My people are suffering, sleeping in darkness in the midst of vast energy embedded with sunshine that burn the cities of Tamale and Nabrongo, burning from dawn to dark on top. My name is Ghana. I felt sad when I saw my people, young, energetic, and courageous youths, sent away on voyaging ships to foreign land by wicked white men and migrant merchants. But now, in the name of seeking greener pastures, my young men and women are sent as slaves to Qatar, Kuwait, and United Arab Emirates in the name of greener pastures. Greener pastures in the white man's land. Land that has nothing but snow, unfriendly weather and racial segregation. Compared to my land, your land, and our land. Beautiful and gifted with gold, diamond, bauxite, cocoa, timber, akrantie, and now oil. I cannot blame them. My resources are spent extravagantly and needlessly. Ghana, I weep not only for myself but for my people. People blessed with precious resources, yet married to poverty and hardship. Where lies the wisdom of the nation and its leaders? If already footballers are paid thousands as winning bonuses, yet we fail to pay teachers and nursing trainees their petty allowances, forgetting that footballers serve the nation for only 90 minutes, but teachers solely make citizens and nurses save lives for years. Today, people do not live in Ghana because of its attractiveness. They remain in Ghana because they have no other country to call home. My name is Ghana. I have lost the taste my people enjoy. My name is Ghana. I'm a Ghana. And for Ghana, me, Atia, and Hussein Ghana. Come one, come two, come all to rescue me. My name is Ghana. Thank you.
I will say Obia, but it's Obia. This is amazing. Media for I'm already this one. Nice.
Good day to you all, ladies and gentlemen. I am in the person of Medina Jibril. I am here to recite a poem entitled The Rate of Fame. Behind your laughter and your grace lies your story untold. Kwajon Cancer, your name so bright, conceals private pains day and night. You use your comedy as a mask to hide the tears you cry and the fear you cannot get. The present always make us smile has become your heavy burden. Kwajon Cancer, son of Adwafra, you've worked so hard for this fame, but little did you know the cost to pay for every moment of this journey of study. Now, your private life is a luxury you've used. Every move you make become a subject to debate. Kwajon, this is the rate of fame, but still, you stand through it all. A true entertainer and a warrior who won't never to fall. Through the darkness and the works, you still shine. You are a beacon of the hope for the world to know. I say, but let us remember that behind the fame, behind the name Lilwin, it's a person with a life like us, a life with a struggle just like our own. The private world beyond the fame. Before we criticize, thank you.
It's not yet. Being bold.
Yes.
That's not what you have at Simabako.
Manaka Ehunu. Yami Asel.
It was too emotional. Thank you very much.
Mr. Alpha Oma Ayesaya, I am one Tadia Manning FM. What's that here? About everyone, very deep. Opportunity saying, and no fair, no day. I am one Tadia.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Benedicta Kuma is my name. I'm here to recite a poem about teenage pregnancy. In the tender bloom of her youth is a fragile flower. She wandered on her way through life. Bittersweet are a child herself, yet she is burdened with life's weight. Her innocent lost at fate stood her fate. Her laughter was echoed, carefree in the air. Now it is silent by shadow of future unfair. With her swelling belly and tear-streaked face, she bears the mark of an untimely embrace. Her dreams shattered like her grasses on the cold ground as she gazed at the sky with her silent cry. Oh, what might have been if only she knew the consequences of actions not thought through. She is no longer a child, but not a woman yet. Caught in the whirlwind of life's pure conjure, her path is forever altered by a woman's design. In the depth of despair, she feels the fire. Yet, amid the darkness is a flicker of hope. For love and support, she learns to cope with strength and resilience. She faces the day. A mother too soon, but determined to stay. In the echoes of her struggles, let her speak to the call to educate and empower one and for all for teenage pregnancy. It's not just a plight, but a societal issue that we must fight. Thank you.
Thank you. That's a beautiful one about teenage pregnancy and Prawanin saying, oh, let me show him.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Moses Anastasia. I am in class 5. Within my class, we learned only 5 elements. Even the JHS learned only 20 elements. But when I came to Great Minds International School, I have been able to acquire 50 elements. And they are hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese.
Oh, no, it's not here, come on.
Copper, zinc, gallium, germanium, arsenic, selenium, bromine, krypton, rubidium, strontium, lithium, zirconium, niobium, molybdenum, technetium, titanium, rhodium, palladium, silver, cadmium, indium, tin.
Thank you. The first 15 elements, that is science. Beautiful.
Well done. One day, one thing. Many bars are about crying. State of the Nation's address.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm in the person of Safuengu. I'm a true citizen of the land, a native of Denti in the Otumfour municipality. We have a seat in the August House. So
after so, you know, if you can so you put him on, definitely one another, or face so my name.
Offensive my hitting, some my hitting. Offensive tip them, and tip right hitting. Offensive to trust it hitting. Another scene and I'm contain. And then kill. Then I have a shit back in. I'm a back in. I commission. So I feel trouble. The Sassa so any colleague media and Kosovo again. It's a year about one. And I say, yes, you're feeling assassin. Or it's not there be. Nana Abba ever showed you many Mukinama's many, I am at you. It means an hour hard, you know, and can't grow. 18 and another doing if you are Facebook, at you, I bet you many in the two. So you're gonna call. And another one, hey, on now, so I see almost one of Papa. Never be at me, I come aside, never be at me, Great Minds International School. Thanksgiving and graduation day. And a summary of Koso. Media also, Yadamina Sova. It's over Fancy Television, who be I and I'm so. Or your TV, Ediaco, Promise TV, Ediaco, Casamame, Ediaco, Radio and TV. Polino Multimedia. Omina, dear, concrete one, Muna. Ediac Television, and Yasam Kachaka. Casamame, Radio and TV, Lucy. Empire TV, Data General Ogidi, and the idea content of the show. Here, something another such as I am. I joke, I sign away. What do you do? Here, and a free official. I said, good on kidding. Official,
So we are celebrating, and I would say better Range Rover. Now what na TikTok so actually say we are Range Rover, and I would fear Basampa. So then say we are celebrating. Better na TikTok so and on social media. I am before also Basampa. Obi one funny day and talk Range Rover. One funny day and show say on Pabua Fufro. But they see school in Zwa for Zeni I had check. In fact, school in Krano for check free education. Once I employ a man for 80 or Moka. Tebe na FSC. Nde menyaji na so me rawo se me ba ha no. Me celebrities wo ha. Etaya ho pa. Ma mo fra mo celebrities. Jenungwazi akamina. Amunu aye bibia. Mo to me embetenechi. We hate ourselves. Bibi say, now say na yedichi, yedi yaho, a shim, na ya manaya fe. And guys, ya party. A man from Bagoso was on Motua. And Gaidi and Ghana celebrities in a coho. And Linguazi for. When I made a bet to Yamakaba, go. Obi share nkoda say one go school na so nkoda amon go school oni bi ma go school na omodache ayefe bra na beta de chinzo a omba why are there waka ni nyina Lilwin Me dear, or your menu or sire the bar. Encouragement down the mountain said, Koswa Namia Win. They say, I support Toa on your dog. The minigun and I sent to Lilwin. You show social media, Miss Reyes. A month for a more friend, Lilwin Brad, your party. Must you call Lokeno? Yami bet you Amaka. And your one what? I sent to be a 2 near. Mama we near we ninja. Mpa na obebo se mane nto na mane nto nua bio. Afie kwa koto aba. Uwu abato no mu a. Abato no mfa so wunya bi da. Na nko wu mu obia. Tinase. Omanum eye dio. Eye chance e do be 6 feet about 20. Kona koto waba asumdwem. So pesa ujina omo kan aba na jina ho omo kan aba no kofie na ba tino fie na su na ko ye he bia because military for ho police for o ye o mehwe o bechi wa tumunzo afei ya ye wo kumase ya ana ekro we so a pese ya back to school no ya be abua Lilwin ne say ye na ye de ya ba ko sa school no nda me ba ma be su French. Bonjour, je m'appelle le taux. F, I like it. Mi free Nkonya ni. Nkonya for ni alavanyo for mu konto kwa more than 100 years ni. Jimmy Ntokwa hu ni mfaso bia. Eda mede Lilwin ko Nkonya no. Nkonya ni alavanyo for ina. That is the blessing and any grace. I don't anya media channel. Uko kopenya eyeye isa odinechi. Men kopeno. Ukopena sa betofem. Eda Lilwin ko du Nkonya ni alavanyo. Nkonya fo ni alavanyo ina be fie e be hwe Lilwin. That is the beauty of who he is. Mbra Ghana movie industry say no. Ono ni papa kwa ye hwe wo TV so. Ewra wo kura na eni ache. Asante man at ede bibi pabi ache Ghana. Anokra say bibi papa be fi Ghana. It should come from Ashanti. And luckily he is really an epitome of change, of peace, of love. Nananom say the baba obi abaswa e pa machaw mo hwe mi nua we amombo na baso na onya ndu bebi a afi no be adekese ba e da mo ase peace brother. Asumdwe na ono na da no se asumdwe na baba my konko Ghana mu. Na no tem na yetse ye no. Ye da na celebrate Nyankopon ensure no pa. Adom TV ewa ha, Angel TV so ha, Oyepa TV. Omunyi na ye do mase Joy Chum TV enso ye da mase media houses amo ha nyina mo fa coverage na live nyina ye da mase. Socials so Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, baby, and Great Minds International School. Prize giving, Thanksgiving, and graduation day. And I also Ewahano. Intermedia house, I'm about supporting you. I think media. Munina Yadamasi, Question Koso. Now, Jimmy, you know.
Meet me, and I'm a yes, the same. I'm out of when you did. Teacher, you want to say, Ubayno, actually, the amount more from the dinner. Akwai me bai madam ide wo yugudu nyame nhira na nhira beto adwuma wo ye no so nyankopon so akoso ato nkwanam me ti se wo ye se ya teacher ni wo so meleda onyankopon ebebo amaso nyuma nyina ayeye enentira
Oji di se wo sabeti ni akabuta ya wo di tifu
adu nyankopon te ase die bibia oninim nobody knows tomorrow only God knows tomorrow. I believe my God say the way you mapano when you man the kwebe minyas kamani mami efimpa metimpo aya 5 bedrooms e denta me pese me yibibi e ma o mani ngam so mfaso titu dita me film e ma menom ye nua no mofo enya me so mfaso eni ntina mansi manhye anem en kwano wotom na dachi minyamfie dokon waha na ma ba ko pra me nante na ma wonse MPB kasa wahini biti akonya so wo dine hene na wo mention say mi shall 1911 because Great Man's International School obi atia ebeye kodon kansa Lilwin mi se onyame edimbisi make say ankwana udonti ye me say dimpo no school no ankwana ngom masampo abie for school no ma within 2 minutes this year mama kwa mumie no na remove all the Jesus in so ako different place sa school no e na makomo so e ma fra so e na makomo so intino silence em pa cho de makanya no se onyankopon hira adofo a wanyina na nanu metwe hia empenfo wanyina na nyankopon hira ahofo so a omunya odo ene tema ede maame se my school na omudoma abeduam se omas mesu de na achi nyame fo musie nyame to mo kwanam nyame o madwuma me ye bia so enkoso na abofra so a kwahia to me inipa kafa no ho ese me se me muade me hamaso maisi eso Ghana ha me no obi an kontokoda me police me kasenti obi ada me ni obi asika ni me se school me sie ni ntiro se jimi medimi ni ntiro se ka me dem ntiro minnim na se babo se me fanto so na emane nyabo yakopon fa bofra nkwanhia so ofiri yakofa na kransi esanse obi nhyɛ na gonya accident how say my school kese me kuta kra almost 1000 me hwɛ school from kra wo kese wo bro 80 me maame no enkwedi fodi machi na ma shada say me konya accident na kwabu adama boda mana nenne boda esan etu obia etu sikani etu hieni etu sofo etu ahene ebesi a chemi bi adana lemi nko ade obia ka ho ase ebesi bia nyame ase
eda wasipi na hupo nshia
eda si obi
your blessings eda wasese o ma ya hu de cause wo bo ho RC park because I remember adaje beboye medemanu besi ha so who was to sana me no besi no or a bomb of abaso our free cage equal P1 P3 equal P4 JHS1 and so a chair BC and say also well ma a boarding krata eye ni kapa bibi for ba our money in central.
Hello. Hello. Departure. Vigilance area. School for young master per se. Ombia, I got trouble for young baby. That's what I'm going to school. I want to keep my man like a man can be cheap like that. Go ahead. That's the idea. Timpato, then we came. Ya plenty of baby, we are better. One chance I want to be now. We feel that can't because it is a from you. Okay. You are royal Agnes, Nanano, distinguished guest, Director of Education, esteemed community leaders, members of my school management and PTA committee, esteemed parents and guardians, my beloved students, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you all. I am very thankful to stand before you today on this special annual speech and prize giving and graduation day. This day is important for us all at Great Minds International School. As many of you know, I was recently involved in accidents at Amapom, just before the premiere of my long-awaited movie, A Country Called Ghana. Sadly, a young boy lost his life in the accident. I want to use this opportunity to express my deepest sympathy to his family. Given the intensity of the crash, it is a miracle that I am alive today. I am also grateful that my crew members and the boys' father, who were in jail, have now fully recovered. Your support, strength, and prayers have been very helpful throughout these hard times. Despite these difficult times, I am dedicated to the future of Great Minds International School. We aim to provide the best education for our students, preparing them not just for exams, but for life. During our anniversary that was held last 2 years, I assure you to introducing international curriculum which will allow our students to travel abroad for exchange programs to learn from different culture and expresses. I am glad to inform you that my wife and I worked here seriously to gain a contract in the UK last year. However, at the final stage of introducing it, we expressed an accident which caused the delay. This accident not only has affected the introductions of the international curriculum, but also slowed down the Great Minds Annex building, which was planning to be open this year. Despite all those challenges, we have come here to celebrate this success of our students. As I congratulate all our students, most important my third batch, upon their successful completion of the BEC and hope to introduce the international curriculum and complete our annex building in the remote future. Let's keep working together to make our school a place of excellence and positive change. Thank you, and let's all work hard to make education a powerful force for good. Thank you very much. God bless you all. I'm done.
It is finished. As it was said on the cross, it is finished. It is finished.
Thank you very much, the media team. Thank you so much.